Welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne now. He's saying that he's popular and people are getting mad because of what he's doing and what he's saying, because he's been going out talking people's business. And he's saying that the people that he's talking about, they're getting really, really mad. So he's like, I'm going to continue to do it because it's getting them mad. So says that he's really popular, and because he's popular, they won't stop. So he called this person the dark screen Nimkampu, and that's allegedly what he called them. So just go on over and watch the video for yourself. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I post, you know. Alrighty.
Because I'm that popular. Me a mad them. Me a bust up them head top. Ever since me start chat them business, they're mad. Only's gonna stay mad because I'm not stopping. Now I see what you guys do. I'm gonna go even harder. The only way I'm gonna stop is by Anyways, let me play something for you guys to hear, because I want you guys to hear what this unscrupulous black screen nincompoop has to say about me. You understand? And black screen, I don't care. I don't care. You understand? Talk is cheap. Words are exactly what they are, wind. You understand? Anyway, enough me. Let me just make you make on hear it. On understand Walan there. Hold on. I hope I sent it to my damn self. Did it come through? Okay, let me play it from the phone I have it on, because I'm pretty sure I have it on the other phone. Let me put it on that one.
Pairing failed.
1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm connecting my other phone to the thing because I want you guys to hear it. It's only a very small thing, but I want you guys to hear it because they think by saying all of these things about me, it's gonna suddenly make me afraid. Oh, please get a grip. Am I connected? Okay, I'm connected. Okay, perfect. On ready? Are you guys ready? I know you guys are ready, because I'm ready too. Let me let you guys hear it. Once, bear with, 1 second. 1 second.
But sexual got type of Pandorian life and say
He's talking about this transsexual and alleged transsexual.
Try calling, answer. From that the day, I don't see that the transsexual again pan in life. But come here. Let me talk.
Talk up, good girl, talk up.
Who remember when me say? Who remember the transsexual we call in Pandana life?
Tell me more, goody.
Who remember the transsexual that call in Pandana life? And when they call in Pandana life, no, tell a lie. The transsexual never called in Pandana life. The transsexual comment something Pandana life. And Dana take out the picture and go on him page. When she go on the page and go check out who it was commenting, because when she see the person, she thinks it was a girl.
Pop Tori, tell me.
When she go on the page, she say it was a man in a woman clothing. It get interesting. When she go through the picture, she say, hey, I wanna know when I cuss you. Stick up in. Who remember when doing the go live? And the same transsexual got type up on Dwayne live and say, call me Dwayne. Come on, try calling, answer. From that the day, I don't see that the transsexual again pan in life.
Mighty God.
Let me make sure we screenshot that bumbo. Moving forward to 2022 now.
Pop Tory tell me.
Man, she say that in same again.
Hold on, make we hear the part good. Hold on, the part good. Hold on.
On the boy.
Hold on, make we hear the part good.
You hear man, she say that in same again club. When me go on the boy life, the man confess say him sleep with man and woman.
Did I now? Did I?
Can go at nightclub 3 times.
Okay.
So the transsexual way type on in life look like it was his friend and girlfriend.
You did.
That's why we talk it last year. The man say, post it now. Make me see something. Me say, you know who are your friend?
Mighty God.
Are your girl, man? Are your girl, boy? I mean, no post it, me Abby. Me no post it.
Post it, girl. Post it.
The time them, me no see that they boy girl on him page again.
Girl, post it.
Page a type up and of course.
Girl, post it.
Then when him come out and say that him and match have mutual friends that are gay.
Hold on. Let me pause it. Little girl, me and Majesty, we had thousands of friends together, a lot of friends. One thing with me, I don't discriminate. I'm not a person who discriminate. And even if I've ever done anything with, my own kind, that is none of your business. No one's business. And I'm very sure, not even Madge knows anyone I've ever done anything with. Right? Let's get that quite clear. You understand? I'm not a person who goes around and sleep with Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Paul, Peter, Jessica, Rasputia. We don't do those things over here. You understand? My life is my life. God has blessed me with my life to live it according to how I feel comfortable or as I want to. You understand? No one on social media knows nothing about me. And anyone I've ever had any kind of dealings with, trust me. I'm so private. I'm so private. We don't do those things over here. I'm way too private for all of these unscrupulous behaviors. You understand? So anything, I'm gonna block you. I'm tired of you. You can hold a block. Get off my page. Goodbye. Enough of you. Let's listen to the rest of it, because I'm pretty sure he said some other things.
So when he come out the time and